to the Batch Lady, where I show you how to make fast, simple homemade meals you can make in advance, put in your freezer and use whenever you want. Today I am showing you a really easy sort of 5-minute slow cooker or Instapot recipe that is a dump bag, meaning you can dump everything all in your freezer bag, get the whole recipe just in the freezer, and whenever you want it you can pull it out, dump it in one of your pots, whether it could be in a pot for the oven, for the slow cooker, or for your Instapot, and you have got a meal all ready to go. Let's get going. Okay, so it's Harissa chicken stew, which is delicious and a really easy recipe to make. What you're going to do is you're going to take chicken thighs and you're going to put them in your dump bag. They're raw, you're just moving them straight into your dump bag. Now for all the ingredients for this, you will get the recipe, www.batchlady.com. You can just print it off, download it, put it to your phone, whatever you want, okay? So 8 chicken thighs go in. You are putting in a can of 400 gram can of chickpeas that I've already drained and given a quick wash. You're putting in 1 teaspoon of sugar just in the bag, so it's all getting dumped in, all getting frozen at the same time. Okay, 2 cans of chopped tomatoes, 400 gram cans go in. Move everything that you're doing to the side. 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. 1, 2, and when I'm making these bags, I usually always double it, because if you're going to make 1, it takes about 1 minute more to make 2, and you've got a whole other meal just ready to go. We're doing 1 tablespoon of harissa paste, okay? So I've got some harissa paste here. So 1 tablespoon goes in. It's quite strong, it's quite spicy, it goes a long way. I've got 1 cup of frozen onions. These onions are still frozen, so I'm going to work really quickly, so they're not going to defrost. I'm going to get them straight back in the freezer, but you can just use a normal onion if you prefer. I am using 1 teaspoon of already chopped garlic, so entirely up to you whether you want to, whatever garlic you want to use, but you need 1 teaspoon of it, okay? Then we have got some paprika and cumin, and I'm just using 1 teaspoon of each of these. 1 of paprika, 1 of cumin, and guys, it couldn't be more simpler. Now you can salt and pepper it now, you can salt and pepper it later, oh, don't worry about that. But basically, I've already written on my bag, so I know exactly what's in the bag. I've put the cook times, because I don't know if I'll do it in the Instapot or the slow cooker, so I've put the cook times on. I'm just about to go through the cook times with you, but before that, you want to seal this up. Whoop. Seal it up, it's quite a heavy bag. Seal it up like that, and that is ready to go straight into my freezer now, just like that, okay? When I take it out, I'm going to leave it to defrost in the fridge, so I'm going to take it out the night before, okay? And then I'm going to cook it, and here's how you do that. Okay, our harissa chicken stew our dump bag is done, so imagine you've put it in the freezer, you've taken it back out, and you've let it defrost, and you want to decide how to cook it. If you're going to put it in the slow cooker, you want to put it on low for 5 hours, and it's going to come out absolutely perfect, okay? If you want to put it in your Instapot, you are going to press the pressure cook button, okay? And then you're going to turn it on for 7 minutes. I know, bizarrely, only 7 minutes. 7 minutes on high on your pressure cooker and allow natural, on your Instapot and allow natural release. And in 7 minutes, your stew will be done, okay? If you are doing it in the oven, you just want to put this in a big roasting tin. You want to put it in your top oven for 180, or your top agate oven, and you want to put it in your roasting oven, 180 for 1 hour, and then you want to move it to your bottom oven, or if you're turning down your oven, you turn it down to about 80 to 100 for 3 hours, okay? And it will slow cook and be absolutely delicious. Best possible way to eat it. If you find that your stew coming out of anything, you just prefer it. Some people like a thin stew, some people like a thicker stew. If you want a thicker stew, simply add your 1 teaspoon of corn flour, mix it with a little bit of water, mix it in, give it a stir through, just maybe 5 minutes before the end if you're cooking it in your slow cooker. or in your oven, and you'll find that it just thickens your stew for you, okay? I hope you've enjoyed this really easy 5-minute dump bag harissa chicken stew recipe. If you are looking for any other dump bag recipes, you will also get lots on my website or lots in my cookery book as well if you're looking for slow cooker dump bag recipes. Okay, thanks for watching The Batch Lady. Take care, bye!